In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize PowerPoint footers and page numbering. Whether you're preparing a presentation for a business meeting, school project, or a conference, having customized footers can help give your slides that professional touch. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, open up PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation you want to edit. This might be a file you've recently worked on, or perhaps one that's been sitting in your drafts waiting for the final touches. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your window. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This tab is your go-to for adding new elements to your slides, and as you'd expect, it holds all the options you'll need for adding footers and page numbers. After you've clicked on Insert, look for the Header and Footer option. Clicking on this will open a new window with multiple customizable settings that apply to the footers and headers of your slides. Now you'll see several options, but focus on the checkbox that says Footer. You'll need to check this box to activate the footer feature on your slides. If it's already checked, you're one step ahead, but if not, just give it a click. With the footer option activated, the next step is to type in your footer content. This could be your name, the date, a page number, or any text that you feel is relevant for your presentation. If you already have a footer present from another project, you can simply make changes by clicking in the footer field and typing over the existing text. Once you're happy with what you've added or adjusted in the footer section, it's time to finalize these changes. Scroll down to find the OK button and click it. This will apply your new footer settings to all the slides in your presentation, giving them a cohesive look. And that's it, you've successfully customized the footers and, if necessary, the page numbering on your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, these little details make your work look polished and professional. Whether you're presenting to an audience or sending slides to a colleague, a well-structured presentation always leaves a lasting impression. Feel free to explore other customization options under the header and footer menu to better tailor your presentation to your liking. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.